Welcome. In this video I'll show you how to check your device specifications on LENOVO Ideapad C340 laptop. So to check the brief specifications of your laptop, select the Start button, then go to Settings, then select System and scroll all the way down to About section. And as you can see, we can check our storage. As you can see, we got 477 3 gigabytes of storage. We got an AMD Radeon Vega 3 graphics card with 2 gigabytes of video RAM. We got 8 gigabytes of installed RAM. We got this processor with this frequency. And here is the brief with device name, processor, installed RAM, device ID, system type, etc. We also got Windows specifications right here. And if you want to check your specifications in real time, then there is another option. You just have to right-click the taskbar and select Task Manager and go into Performance. And right here you got your CPU. So you can see the speed of it, the utilization. Unfortunately, you can see your temperature here. Okay, we can see the temperature of our GPU. It's my mistake, and also the temperature on. Only the GPU got the temperature. So as you can see, it's 44, which is quite normal, even kind of low. But since we're not doing anything right now, you can check everything here in real time, and in settings you can see just the brief description of everything you got inside your PC. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.